Let's learn animals' name. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first one is a snake. The next one is a turtle. This is a turtle. The next one is a spider. This is spider. The next one is a T-Rex. T-Rex. The next one is a Mr. Orange. The next one is a queen parrotfish. This is a sea animal. The next one is a pink fish. This is a pink fish. Fish is a sea animal. The next one is a sheep. Sheep is a farm animal. The next one is a cow. Cow is a farm animal. Cow. The next one is a dinosaur. This is dinosaur. Dinosaur is a wild animal. This is a fish. A fish. The next one is a rooster. This is a rooster. The next one is a duck. This is a duck. The next one is a crab. This is a crab. The next one is a snail. This is a snail. The next one is a turtle. This is a turtle. The next one is a deer. This is a deer. Deer is a farm animal. The next one is a narwhal. Narwhal is a sea animal. Narwhal. The next one is a blue whale. This is a blue whale. The next one is a duck. Duck is a farm animal. The next one is a sea lion. This is a sea lion. Sea lion. The next one is a caterpillar. This is a caterpillar. Caterpillar. The next one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next one is a fish. This is a fish.